Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and if you're watching this video, we're going to be breaking down how to use the sorting tool. That'll be a very important tool we use throughout our unit. In this video, we're going to be breaking down two important main ideas when using the sorting tool. The first one is how to move different objects within the sorting tool, and the second is how to sort the objects by two different energy types. So as we break down these ideas, you'll come back by the end of the video and you're going to complete the survey by putting an X in one of these three rows. If you put it in the first row next to the green row, it tells me you understand both these main ideas. If one of those things are confusing or you need help, you'll put it by the yellow. And if both are confusing or you need help, you'll put it by the red. So as you get into this next task here, you're going to be adding the sorting tool to your drive by clicking on the icon. And when you open it up in your drive, you'll see that the sorting tool has two sections. You have the sorting section here and the object section here. The sorting section is broken into two parts: things that do have energy and things that don't have energy, with the things that do have energy being the top blue box and the things that don't have energy being the bottom blue box. On the right hand side, you'll see that we have 14 different objects or things going on inside these images with a little description underneath. And what you're going to be doing is dragging and dropping each of these into one of the two columns, or sorry, one of the two rows here, but to organize them as either things that do have energy and things that don't have energy. This is going to help us make sense of energy, how it works, what does and does not have energy, and really help us make sense of some big key ideas as we go through this unit. Now, if this is hard to see, we're going to zoom in a little bit here. And what you'll notice is that each set or each couple are very similar or different to others. Some of them you're going to have to read the description and see the picture to make sense of it. Others you might have to do some implying of what's going on, drawing on some background knowledge to really decide whether or not things do or do not have energy. Now, for this, you're not just sorting them into one of two columns based on whatever you think it should go, but you need to make sure you sort all 14 objects. If you feel like some do or do not have energy or you're unsure, make sure you're reaching out to your group or whatever resources you have available and make sure that you are sorting all 14. So, if we're looking at our survey, that's how we go about moving the objects within the sorting tool and how we sort them by the two different energy types. If you have questions after completing the survey, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.